Are you tired of failing your quadratics quiz? If so, keep watching. All right, we have 2x squared minus 6x is equal to 0. Notice that both of these terms have at least one x, and then also both of these terms are divisible by 2. So we're going to factor out that GCF of 2x. And truthfully, whenever you are factoring this out, you're really dividing by it. So if it helps you to show that division part in order to get the correct expression, then that's fine. So your 2's would cancel, and then x squared divided by x leaves you with just 1x. Minus 6x divided by 2x, we would have 3. Now, in order to get your solutions, you would take your factors, you would set them equal to 0 and solve. So even this factor here of 2x. So if we solve for x with 2x, you would divide both sides by 2. And if you divide both sides by 2, x is going to be 0. Over here, to get rid of subtracting 3, you would add 3 to both sides. So then over here, x is going to be positive 3. So then those are our solutions. X is 0, x is equal to 3. Now let's move on to the next problem. Next, we have 4x squared minus 81 is equal to 0. There are a few things that stand out to me. First, I see some perfect squares, and then I see subtraction. Hopefully your teacher has taught you the factoring method difference of squares. If the way this factoring method works is that you're going to have the format of a squared minus b squared, and then that's going to factor into a plus b times a minus b. Now, it's going to be our job to find a and b, and the way you're going to do that is by taking the square root of both of these terms. So, for instance, if you take the square root of 4x squared, you're going to be left with 2x. If you take the square root of 81, you're going to be left with 9. So this is going to be your A, and this is going to be your B. So now you're ready to write your factored form. So your A of 2x plus your B of 9, and then your A of 2x minus your B of 9. Then from there, we're going to solve these equations just like before, set them equal to 0, solve for x. So the very first equation, I'm going to get rid of adding 9 by subtracting it. So I'm going to get negative 9 on that right side. And then last, I'm going to divide by 2. So x is going to be negative 9 over 2. Moving on to the next one, I'm going to add 9 to both sides to get rid of subtraction. And then I'm going to get rid of multiplying by 2 by dividing by 2 to get positive 9 over 2. So then those are going to be my solutions. Negative 9 halves, and then positive 9 halves. And then that's it. Make sure you follow us. That way we can help you get through the rest of the school year.